Namaste, children. Learn your ABC with Krishna and all his friends, and learn the sound that each letter makes of the alphabet. The first letter is A, and A says A. Ants on the apple, A, A, A. Arjuna and his arrows, B. B says B. Balaram is a brave boy, B, B, B. Balaram is Krishna's brother. C. C says K. Cows are calling, K, K, K. Cows and their calves. D. D says D. Dhanukasura is a demon, D, D, D. Dhanukasura and his demon friends were defeated by Krishna and Balaram. E says E. Elephants are enormous, E, E, E. Gajendra the elephant prays to Vishnu. F. F says F. Feather and flute, F, F, F. G. G says G. Gopi girls are giggling, G, G, G. The gopis give Krishna gifts. H. H says H. Hanuman is a hero, H, H, H. I says I. Incense is inside, I, I, I. J. J says J. Jaya, Jaya, Jagannath, J, J, J. Jagannath has jewels. K. K says K. Krishna kicked Kalia, K, K, K. L. L says oh, lovely little lotus flower, L, L, L. M. M says monkeys are munching, Krishna feeds the mischievous monkeys. N. N says N. Naughty Nimai, N, N, N. Naughty Nimai would dance nicely when the village lady sang Haribo. O. O says O. Offering oranges, O, O, O. P. P says P. Peacocks are pretty, P, P, P. Q. Q says Qua. The queen sits quietly, Qu, Qu, Qu. R. R says R. Red roses for Radha, R, R, R. S. S says S. Subhadra is smiling, S, S, S. T. T says T. Tulsi is tender, T, T, T. U. U says Ah. Umbrellas are up, Ah, Ah, Ah. V. V says V. Vaishnava on the Vyasa. V. V. W. W says W. Women are walking. W. X. X says X. And there aren't many words starting with X, but we have X-ray, where the machines can see through your body, and xylophone, a little instrument to play for Krishna. Y. Y says Y. Yasoda makes yogurt. Y. Yasoda's yogurt is yummy. And the last letter of the alphabet, Z. Z says Z. Zip up your zipper. Z. Zip up your bead bag and keep your beads safe. Jai Shri Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.